While Bill Nye is a pretty cool guy, we needed to go one step further in the science world. Beginning in the 1960s, the United States made several medical discoveries. Between the years of 1960 and 2016, advances were made in vaccinations, cloning, and biological understanding. Beginning in 1964, the first vaccine for measles was released following that. Up until 1998, 9 vaccinations including hepatitis A, B, pneumonia, Lyme disease, and chickenpox were released. Cracking the genetic code pertained as one of the largest feats of the time period, as Marshall Lindbergh, Carl Cacarana, Severo Ochoa, and their colleagues elucidated the genetic code. This struck into the understanding later on of creating the lettering sequence of AGCT, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, to label the genetic proteins. Later, this also leads to Fred Sanger's development of the sequence of DNA, which in 2003 helps in the process of fully sequencing the entire human genome. Biomedical advancement, whoa, big words alert, in the last 40 years has shaped many surgical procedures done today. These advancements started with the first heart transplant done in South Africa by Dr. Christian Barnard in 1967. This advancement has led to over 5,000 heart transplants done worldwide per year, as well as the research used in artificial hearts. Around 2006, scientists all were looking into stem cell therapy. Stem cells have led to the making of new heart muscle, the discovery of cardiac system cells, and therapy for Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's. All of these developments lead up to today's creation of the prosthetic heart. While it isn't as cool as the Star Wars saga, cloning in and of itself is an extremely innovative concept that shaped many moral opinions, beginning in 1975 when scientists conducted their creation of the first mammal embryo. The process used is nuclear transfer, which is the technique consisting of taking an enucleated oocyte and implanting a donor nucleus from a somatic cell. Following this, genetics took off into 1984, first mammal created by nuclear transfer. 1987, nuclear transfer from embryonic cells. 1996, nuclear transfer from labor cells. 1996 also, Dolly, the first mammal created by somatic cell transfer. And in 1997, first primate created by embryonic cell nuclear transfer. And in 2001, endangered animals cloned by somatic nuclear cell transfer. The most recent, of course, being human embryonic stem cells created by somatic cell nuclear transfer, which is creating a clone baby with specific genetic disorders. While cloning things is really cool, it comes with a difference in opinion among the American society, which is carried into every one of these scientific aspects today, as I am sure that we will continue to further develop our scientific processes. While Bill Nye is a pretty